Hello everybody, how are you all? Hope everyone will be in happy mood with their families. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet handbag designs. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crocheting ideas. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and beautiful videos. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crocheting a handbag can offer a variety of benefits. Here are some reasons why making or owning a crochet handbag is great. Creative boost. Crocheting allows you to express your personal style through colors, patterns, and textures. Handbag unique piece. Every crochet handbag is one of a kind, unlike mass produced bags. Satisfaction of crafting. Completing a crochet project gives you a sense of achievement. Customizable. You can choose the yarn size, shape to suit your needs. Eco-friendly. Using sustainable materials like cotton yarn helps reduce plastic waste. Stress relief. Crocheting is a relaxing and mindful activity that helps to reduce stress. Portable. You can easily take your crochet project with you anywhere and work on it in your free time. Skill development. Crocheting improves your motor skills, coordinations, and pattern recognition. Affordable. Making your own bag can be cheaper than buying one, especially if you already have yarn. Durability. Crocheted handbag can be incredibly durable and long-lasting if made properly. Versatility. Crocheted bag can be used for all kinds of occasions, from casual outing to more formal events. Personal connection. A bag you crochet yourself often holds sentimental value and can remind you of the time that effort put into it. Adaptability. Crocheted bag can be easily altered and modified to fit your style or needs. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Lightweight. Many crochet bags are lighter than leather or fabric bags, making them more comfortable to carry. Breathable. The open nature of crochet stitches allows for air circulation so your bag doesn't become musty. Fashionable. Crocheted bags are trendy and can complement a wide range of outfits. Functional. A crochet bag can be practical for carrying your everyday essentials in a stylish way. Therapeutic. The repetitive motion of crochet can be meditative and help you unwind after a long day. Social interaction. Crocheting can be a social activity as you can join groups, attend classes, or chat with others online. Gift idea. A handmade crochet bag makes a thoughtful. Crochet bags offer a unique blend of style, sustainability, and practicality that make them a great choice. Here are a few reasons why you might consider using them. Eco-friendly. Crochet bags are often made from natural fiber like cotton or jute, which are biodegradable and environmentally friendly, especially compared to plastic bags. Durable and strong. Despite their lightweight feel, crochet bags are surprisingly durable and can handle quite a bit of weight, making them perfect for everyday use. Customizable. You can create a crochet bag in any color, size, or design to match your personal style, making them versatile